swing. Let's just loosen things up, because if you're tense and then you go out on the course, it does not always have the best results. So just let everything go. Let the head go and just allow everything to relax at first. Then start to focus forward, because that is actually obviously where the ball is. And so often, if the neck and shoulders are tight, then that can really tighten things up here and really inhibit the movement. Then from there now, let's put the pole behind the bat, and we're going to put that there just to activate the core right off the bat. That helps us stay in that good neutral position. And just flex the elbows a little bit and just pulse back for 3, 2, 3, and come forward. And let's go to the other side. So we're exploring that. Reach. Other way, pulse. 2, 3. So we just have a little release of the knees and just going for that mobility.